Welcome to FPJ's Life Hacks.
Hi, this is FPJ. Welcome to FPJ's Life Hacks, and today we're gonna talk about how to avoid being scammed online. Because as of now, we are doing a lot of transactions with cash and cashless options because we have our digital wallets. But most of the time, there are chances that we are getting scammed through online and using those quote unquote QR so we could be scammed for our money. Yes, there are a lot of scams right now that are using fake QR so they could do with the transaction. Kasi madali lang din ipekein yung mga QR na yun na papalabas nila na it's their QR for that specific company pero hindi pala. It's directly towards their bank at hindi mo malalaman. One thing that you could also do to prevent the scams using QR is actually doing the transaction with the physical QRPH either in the establishment because sometimes they have this yun nga diba yung mga QR na nakalagay pangalan nila, also the name of the establishment. When you scan that QR, lalabas yung pangalan ng establishment na yun, which confirms that the QR is correct. Actually, nagkaroon kami ng experience sa scam na yan using QR. Nung pumunta yung tita ko dito from the US, nagkaroon siya konting salo-salo at gusto niya magkaroon ng lechon. So, ikinotak daw sila na supplier ng lechon, tapos humihingi ng down payment. Tapos nagpadala sila ng QR code ng digital bank nila. So, yung tita ko naman sabi, o sige, padala natin dyan. And nung day na dapat papadala yung lechon, wala. Nawala na ang Facebook page, nawala na rin yung contact na yon. So technically na-scam yung tita ko for that lechon dahil nga hindi namin ginawa physically, face to face na parang okay to assure that this business was legit. Pero hindi talaga. So lesson learned talaga kami with that experience. So, how can we prevent that from happening again? And that's I'm very wary about. Kaya ang ginagawa ko, pag nagagawa ng transaction using QRPH, I have to do it physically in the store where I see yung legit na QR code nila with their company name, mga numbers and everything to make sure that it goes directly to that legit QRPH code. So yun, grabe. Lesson learned for us, especially my tita, to not trust anyone with your hard-earned cash. Tapos papadala lang kayo ng mga kung ano ng QR or links kung saan kayo magbabayad. Tapos mawawala na sila. So, as much as possible, be very wary of those sending links or send now na QR na hindi mo ma-verify kung talagang sila yon. Kasi nga, hindi mo sasabi na ito sa business na to unless they have yung physical QR na nakadikit sa establishment na yon. And also do additional research when transacting online on Facebook pages, yung mga nakakontak natin online website na minsan akala mo legit pero bogus pala. So there, that's a one life hack born from what we experience of getting scammed, and hopefully it will also help you prevent scams happening to you and your family and your friends. Kasi syempre, in this day and age, mahirap na nga kumita ng pera, i-scam ka pa, di ba? So, I hope you will be vigilant, you will be very observant, maingat, matikuloso. Kahit syempre, maging ano talaga, aware sa mga gantong scams at hopefully, maiwasan natin siya in the future. So yun lang. Again, thank you for watching. This has been FPJ Life Hacks and see you with the next tip and life hack.